Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn off notifications on Shpock. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go on, of course, and search for anything. And in the top right corner, we have the inbox, we have the selling, buying, watch list, saved searches, reviews, save locations, help center settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn off notifications on Shpock. So it is pretty easy and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So to turn off notifications on Shpock, you need to follow these steps. First of all, open the Shpock app. Tap on My Shpock, which is in the top right corner of your screen. Then, when you here, you need to go to your settings. Then, the small gear wheel icon at the top right corner to access the settings. Click that and then select notifications. Toggle off the notifications you no longer wish to receive. And that's basically that. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.